So, hello again. Good evening. Welcome and thank you to new followers out there, and thank you to viewers and give me comments last night. Thank you so much. So, today is about is it hard or difficult to start an online business? About the preparation, no. About the startup cost, no. So, why preparation? Because this is internet, and it's an online business, and we have a training, a mentor and coach to help you, guide you to start this business. So we have a global community. Let's say I am here in Canada, and then I have a business partner in United States. Then if there's a time difference, I can still able to help the person. Or if this person is in Europe, there is still someone to help this person to start the online business. So it's always there's someone to help you, guide you to start this online business. And it will take, it's depend to you, of course, syempre. If you can start this within 2 weeks, 1 week, or a month, that is, it depends to you. It will, if you are maybe too busy, or sometimes, because this is computer online, there is some clients that having difficulty to understand the computer, so it takes time. But if you always connect to your mentor or coaches, this gonna be probably easy for you, because they will help you, or we will help you to whatever questions you will have. And mine is when I started this, within 2 weeks, what's that? This is already working, and within 2 weeks. So ganun siya kadali. Kasi yung training, the training we have is very procedure. Yung procedure niya, talagang step by step ka. And then, if you don't understand, you can go back and watch the video. You see, it's a video. And you can listen. So, pause and start. So, ganun siya kadali to follow, para hindi magawa or hindi mo masimulan agad yung business, yung online business mo. Kasi ang procedure is step by step. So if there's that's why we have in the community at 80 years old, they are able to run their own online business. So syempre, if you are thinking, what is this online business? Check it out, so that give you a idea, understanding what is this all about. And then of course, if you are starting business, any kind of business, there is a startup cost. But online business is not like a brick and mortar businesses, or the tradition businesses. This is a very unexpensive. Hindi siya ganun mahal para lang magsimula ng online business. So, ganun lang. And yes, so today is Thursday. we have a free webinar, free live webinar for you. This is giving you information about what is the business, and people who is sharing their experience, their successes in this webinar. It's gonna show up there in the webinar. So what else? Yeah, so at first step, you have to, of course, register your name and email para you are in the system, so that you are in this system. Kasi very, online business is very, ano bang tawag doon? Yung online business na to, ano siya, naka-file siya lahat. So this is, hindi siya yung, I wanna start and here the money. It's not like that. So there is a form to fill up to start this business, and so it's in the process. That's how it is. So, but still, to run this business, it's all up to you how fast you are. How do you understand the business? This is how you're gonna success in this business. So again, I would like to invite you, mama out there, parents out there, or hardworking person who wants to earn income, earn online, na gusto magkaroon ng time for the family instead of working part-time or 2 job in a day para kumita. This online business, check this out kasi it's really gonna help you. But of course, do your research so that it helps you to decide. Yes. So on the next Thursday, so every Thursday I will have a guest, and so that we can share more about this online business. So have a good night, and I'm hoping that you will register sooner, or if you have any questions, you can comment, and I will respond as soon as I can. So thank you so much, and see you again tomorrow. Bye.